My voice was being recorded. Now I'll start the class.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So open your textbook. String manipulations.
Yes, sir. 1 second, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir. Continue.
Yes. Yes. You see the whiteboard?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice. So what is a string? String is basically multiple characters. Multiple characters when they are arranged, they are known as a string. String is a data type, just like int, just like double, just like character. Int is a data type which contains multiple characters. Okay. Now, basically, string, you take double quotes and you write something in that. That whatever you wrote is the string. So I wrote Naman. So this is string Naman. Character, what's the difference between the character? It's only one letter, and you write it in single quotes. So this capital N inside single quote is a character variable, but this is a string variable Naman, since it is in double quotes. Similarly, if you write N in double quotes, this is a single uh, a letter, single character, but it's in double quotes, so it's a string variable.
Okay.
Okay. So in string manipulation, what is string manipulation? It's taking string and making cloth. But in computers, it is taking string and making another string.
Hmm. So that is string manipulation.
Yes. You are taking a string and you're doing something to it, and you also get one other string at the end.
Okay.
Yes. So first
Basically,
also,
a
So
collection of characters, no?
while your voice is not coming properly. Sorry.
So basically, a collection of characters.
Yeah, collection of characters
Okay.
within double quotes.
Within
Characters
double.
are in single quotes and string
Yes.
is in double quotes.
Fine.
so connection of.
Characters.
Okay.
Characters.
Yeah. So how do you declare a string variable? So you write string, some variable such as I'll give s, but you can give any name. Okay, any letter or any name. S equal to, in double quotes you have to give naman, or whatever you want to give. And simple. So this s is the variable, string variable, and this naman is the string that is inside this variable. So the naman string is stored inside this variable of s. This is how you declare a string variable. Now this string, uh, it has different characters. This n is the first character, a is the second character. So like how we saw in array, it was basically index position is there. Okay. Index position always starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hmm.
And this string, it is also stored like an index in an index, and the first letter is at 0 position, and then it continues. So this is how each letter has a index position inside this string. If I tell what letter is a index position 2, then the answer would be M.
Hmm.
Yeah. But number of characters, that is the length of the string. String is basically number of characters. So that is 5. But index starts from 0, so it ends at 4. But number of characters is 5.
So today, ma'am asked, listen all of the println. Then she put string. When you put 3 into a substring, what is it, bro?
That some string will come later in the chapter.
Okay.
Now this class will only do till extraction of words.
Okay, yesterday what you did? Till where you did?
Extraction of words.
Okay, till there you did. Fine. All will learn together.
So now what I told till now was a string is a variable or a data type in which you store. Basically, string is a data type, and you can create a string variable to store that data type. Okay, now that is true, but string is also considered a class. String is a class. Okay, and any variable you create as a string is an object of the class. Any variable is the object of the class. Okay, now it is also a variable, but that is it is considered as an object of the string class. That is why we use functions to manipulate string. Now, how do you declare an string as an object? Okay, so it is string. You always add the class name first. Like how you declare object, you can also declare a string. So string, again I'll give s equal to new string. Just how you declare an object, you can declare string variable also, because string variable is an object of string class.
If the class name is string, no?
Yeah. So string variable is always an object of string class. So
And parameters, no?
yeah, sorry, yeah. Yes.
Semicolon.
So wait, which is the object?
The variable.
Okay, so okay.
Yeah. That is object of the string class. Now this currently what I declared here is empty. This variable is empty. I did not give it any value. Okay, now I can do like s equal to now. So I can now this s object or s variable, which is of string data type or an object of the string class, has the this nummon string inside of it. This is stored inside s. Also, what you can do is, while declaring the string object, inside this bracket at the end, so you're writing new new string. Now at the end you put bracket. Inside this also you can give something. So number.
So this is possible only if there are parameter input, no?
Yeah, if you put parameter inside this brackets, then that gets stored in the whatever variable you have given.
So in the above statement,
So
string h is equals to new string, no?
yeah, it is empty.
Here you can write number.
What?
Here you can write number, no?
Yeah, here inside this you can put nummon. If you put nummon string inside double quotes, it will get stored. But since I did not put anything, this one is empty. But in the down example, I have put nummon. So this nummon value got stored inside this s.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can do it in the middle statement also, no? Like first statement and second statement also you can do.
Yeah, like this. You can write this, then you can write this, or you can make it as one as this. But generally, what we do is we don't write any of this, because the simplest way is to declare it as just like any other variable, that is string s
H dot extend.
equal to whatever nummon. Yeah. Or yeah, you can do like sc dot next line, that will take from user, but if you know, you can give directly.
User.
This one is to take from user, and this is whatever value you put in, so it will get stored inside this s. Now you both understood till here?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now suppose we have this s string variable, and inside this value is there of nummon. So I want to know the length. Okay, let's say I don't know what is inside this. Inside num1 is there, but I don't know what is inside this. I want to know the length. I'll use, let's say, int int l equal to s dot length and empty brackets. This is a function which you can use to take a string variable and determine its length. So currently there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters. So what will be inside L? L will be is equal to 5. So whatever is the variable name, that variable name you should put, and this is the function. The name of the function, whatever you dot length bracket open bracket close.
Naman, 5
Yeah.
or 4?
5.
Length is 4, no? N
No.
minus 1. No.
No. Yeah, that's what I told. Index position will start from 0, but when you start counting length, it will start from 1.
So I thought it was. Okay.
Yeah. So like this only you can find a length of anything, but one thing that should be like one thing that is there is if it is, let's say, naman space sir. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 for naman, 1 2 3 for sir, and this space is also as a one character. This is considered as one character. If I put one space here, that is one character. So L for this thing, it will be equal to 9 because space is a character here. The length is basically number of characters inside the string. Okay, you understood length? Both of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
What?
con
Yeah. Yes, sir.
okay. So now we move on to concatenation. That is basically addition. Okay, addition or basically joining or some joining or addition of strings. Concatenation. In simple words, addition or joining. Let's say I have this s1 of string variable and it is equal to, as always, naman. Okay, and I have s2. This is equal to space sir. Okay, now what I can do is I can give s equal to s1 plus s2. So if I print this s, it will come as naman space sir. Why space? Because I gave space here. So basically it just joined these two, s1 plus s2, and put it inside s. So that, yeah, that is the addition of string. What?
Addition,
Yeah,
like
addition.
int, double and same.
Yeah, you just joined the two strings. Yeah. Similarly, what you can do is, let's say I give s equal to s1 plus, instead of writing s2, I put double quotes and I put sir. Okay, so if I print this, this is also give me naman sir. No space because I did not put space here. So whatever is inside the strings, it will come. So basically you can give one variable and one string. You can give two string variables. Okay, you could also do, let's say s equal to naman this plus sir. So if you print this, this will also give you the same value, because yeah.
So s1 is equal to s2 dot next line and s2 also is equal to s2 dot next line.
What?
If you use scan this line.
if you use scanner class,
Yeah, we can use S1 is equal to S2 that much thing.
s1 equal to s2. Yeah,
S2 also can use.
yeah, that is inputting
Yeah,
the
from user.
strings. Yeah, inputting strings from user. This is addition of strings or joining
Okay.
of strings. Yeah. You can take from user and you can join also.
Okay.
So now we learned how to add or join string, which is known as concatenation. Exam they'll probably use like concatenation of string. So you can join two variables, one variable and one normal string, or two normal strings. Anything you can join, any combination of string and string variables. Now one thing you can do is in Java is you can add both uh, string variables and non-string variables. So let's take an example. Uh, let's say int n equal to 6 9. Int okay, double d equal 2 and long uh, long l equal to 9. Okay, so and s equal to, so basically these are some stuff we have, and now we'll add it to concatenation. So one more string variable I'll create, string 1. Okay, this is also a string variable equal to s plus n plus d plus l. Okay, so first it will add one thing to remember is Java always goes from left to right. Okay, so it will first add s and n. So naman, okay, and n. What is in n? 69. So 69, what it will do is it will convert it into a string. So this 69, which is the value of 69, it will become the character of 69 in the string. Then this thing and d. So what is in d? 2.0. So it will do 2.0 only. And this entire thing and l. What is in l? 9. So this is what will be there inside S1. Okay, you got it? No, it just makes this. It just put this stuff in the string. So let's say we have now S2, which is ulta L plus D plus N plus S. Now this is different because as I told you, Java always goes from left to right. Okay, so it will first see that this is 9 and this is 2.0. So it will think these are both numbers only. So I'll add it like numbers. So what will be here? 11.0. Okay, it just added them like normal numbers because it thinks these are just two numbers, addition symbol is there, so I'll make it normal numbers. So this thing, then n. Okay, so it's 69. So this and this it will add, and what it will form, uh, yeah, 80.0, because it will think this 11.0 is also a number, 69 is also a number, so both are numbers, addition symbol is there, I'll add it. Now this is a number and this is a string. Here in S there is number. So this when there is number and string, it will think that entire thing it will make a string. So what it will make is 80.0 naman. Space is not there. Naman. Okay. So one thing to remember is always it goes from left to right. So when it sees two string and a number, it will make a complete string. But when it says two numbers, it will make and there's a plus sign, it will give a number only. You both understood?
Yes, bro. Yes. Yes, sir.
Rishi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, one question I'll give. Yeah. Okay. So string s1 equal to a b c, s2 equal to x y, int n equal to 69, int long equal to 4, long L, okay, long L equal to 4, and double B equal to 7.0. So first question, S equal to S1 plus N plus L plus D. Question 2, equal S equal to L plus D plus N plus S2. And third question,
Bro,
S,
W is 7.0.
yes,
Yeah.
plus L plus plus. Okay, so these three questions I have given.
Okay.
Solve these questions and tell me. Okay, if you have pen and paper, write it in pen and paper somewhere.
First one is A, B, C, 69.
I send it in chat.
Wait,
I didn't
yeah,
get it.
Wait, I didn't mean to type the extra 7. Okay, it's 947 G.0. Okay.
wait. Yeah, okay. Okay. Wait.
I typed an extra 7 by mistake. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Second one is
Uh,
80.0 XYZ in bracket, double inverted.
yes. I can't hear you. Sorry.
The second one is 80.0 X1 XYZ in double inverted comma.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. So, Sarvesh type the other two in chat also. And
Okay.
yeah.
Second
Sorry.
one is L plus D. L is 4 plus
Yeah.
80,
Sauris, you tell off in mic after Sarvesh has typed in chat.
80.0.
Okay, should I say the third one?
No, wait. First, let Sarvesh type. Then I'll tell you. You tell it in the mic.
Okay.
Uh, is this correct? The second one.
Yes. Now type third one.
Mm,
I'll say
No, let's Sarvesh type first. Then you say.
check that. Third one also, sir.
Uh, yeah. Okay. Sorry, say. Yeah. Okay. So sorry, say.
80.0 ABC XYZ in double
Yeah. Okay.
inverted.
Okay, so
Uh,
A is capital. No, it's supposed to be capital. You can't change it, right?
yeah. I'll give one more. Uh, S equal to L plus N plus S1 plus S2 plus D. Yeah. wait.
Will this be an answer?
Uh, yeah, okay. So we say
73 ABC XYZ 7.0 in
yeah.
double inverted.
Okay. So one more thing, if the output based question is like it's SOPLN S, okay, SOPLN is there, then S is there, then don't give double inverted commas. But if they like ask value of S, like what is value of S, then you can give double inverted commas, or I think without double inverted commas also they should accept.
Yeah, because SOPLN will be in the terminal ring and
Yeah.
double inverted commas are in.
Okay. So now next is value of method. Okay. Let's say we have string s. Okay, this is a string, and I also have int n equal to 69. Okay, so s equal to string s. This is string data type equal to string dot value of n. So what will happen is whatever is the value of n 69, it will get stored in this s. So s equal to 69. That is just the value of method. String dot value of SN over capital. So if let's say inside bracket some double D equal to 3.0 is there, then the value of S will be 3.0.
Will it be double inverted comma? Double also.
If you print it, then double inverted commas is not there. But since it is a string data type, just to show it is a string data type, I am putting double inverted commas.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is just a value of method. Don't
Value
put,
of method means it will refer the parenthesis.
yeah, inside parenthesis only I have to put the variable. Yeah. Also, if you can't just do it directly s equal to n, because n is a number and this s is a string. So you can't put a number inside string directly. It will then you will get some other character due to the Unicode. I'll get to that later. You understand the value of method, no? Yeah. Okay. So this was the value of method. Uh, now what we are doing is we are going to the Unicode system. If you remember in 9th grade we learned Java is Unicode system. So basically every character or every symbol, such as from capital A to capital Z, small a to small z, 0 to 9, other symbols such as underscore, hashtag, the rate, even space, or even other symbol, exclamation mark, question mark, any symbol, any letter, any number, it is represented in Java like is a by the computer. It thinks as a 2-byte sequence. Okay, so 1 byte contains how many bits?
8.
Yeah, 1 byte contains 8 bits. So this one character contains 16 bits. Okay, so basically 0101 sequence is there. for every character. That is, character can be letter, numbers, any symbol, even space. Space is a character. All characters have a Unicode sequence for them. Okay, so total number of characters or total number of sequences inside this Unicode is 65,536. That means 65,536 characters are there in this Java code.
Like A, B, C,
Yeah.
A, capital A.
Yeah, yeah. Even these are considered as character symbols. They are also considered characters.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. One thing to remember is capital letters and small letters are considered as different characters. Yeah. So each character or it has a position in this 65,536 sequence of Unicode. For example, this capital A to capital Z, it has the value of 65 to uh, to 90 in in the Unicode. That means A is 65, B is 66, Z is 90. Like every letter has is the value between in the Java Unicode. Okay, capital letters. Now small a to small z, they occupy the sequence of 97 to 122. Okay, that means A is at the 97th position, B is at the 98th position, and C is at the 99th position, like that, and finally Z is at the 122nd position. Yeah, this you should learn. 0 to 9 is from 48 to 57th position. Okay, 0 is at 48, 1 is at 49, 2 is at 50. So each type of character or each character has a position in the Unicode. These are the positions. These positions you have to learn for A to Z, capital A to capital Z, small a to small z, 0 to 9. Okay, these are the characters and this is the Unicode. Now what happens is, uh, let's say character, I have a character variable inside Java which is x, and I give that Java a character which is A, capital A. Okay, now this capital A is stored inside this x. So this A has a Unicode of 65. So we see Unicode 65 is inside this x. Okay, that is Unicode 65 and capital letter A are the same thing, and that is inside this x. Now what happens if I put int y equal to x? Okay, now int y means y is a number and x is a character. How do you put a character inside a number variable? So what it does is it takes this whatever is the Unicode of whatever is the Unicode inside x. Unicode what is inside x is 65 because capital. So y will be equal to 65. So that happens in Java. If you print y, 65 will come. You understood? Like this Unicode and what happens while you do this, both of you.
Yes, bro. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, bro. Yes.
Now, yes. So now, as we know, each character has a Unicode. So let's say if you do if statement and you get capital A is smaller than capital B. Okay, and if this is true, so
Last slide I didn't understand that.
Oh,
Y
okay.
was a variable, no?
Yeah. So
And
X, character X. Wait. Oh yeah. So this is character X. X is of character data type. We put inside X capital letter A. Understood?
yeah, fine, I
Yeah.
understand.
Capital letter A has 65 Unicode. So that is also inside X.
Yeah, understood. Done.
Oh, you understand? So now if you put an if, what we can also do with this Unicode system is, let's say if capital A is smaller than capital B, and if this is true, then what will happen? SOPLN, let's say SOPLN Naman. Okay, this statement is there. Now both are letters. Letters are just letters. They don't have a numerical value. So how will it compare with a greater sign or not? What it will do is it will take the Unicode of the characters. So A has 65 and B has 66. So Unicode 66 is bigger than Unicode 65. So this is true. So what it do is it will print none. Let's say instead of this I had put capital A is smaller than uh, then this would have been false and it would not have printed. But since this is true, so it will compare the Unicode values. If you get comparison symbol greater than or smaller than, it will compare the numerical values. But one thing to remember is uh, you have to put this single quotes. That is the meaning. It is a character. Uh, let's say what I do is I put character data type. Okay, so character data type in this variable. So X is of character data type equal to, let's say I put C. Okay, I put capital C inside this X. Now if X is greater than B, okay, so this will be true or false.
True.
Yes, because X inside X, capital C is there. Capital C has a Unicode of 67 and this has Unicode of 66. So this is bigger and it will be true.
Will the X don't need to be in the single inverted comma?
No, because X is a variable. It is not a character by itself. It
Yeah,
contains the character C.
okay,
Yeah, that is the difference between these two.
okay.
Yeah,
Then, okay, sir.
these are direct characters and these are variables which contain characters. Uh, yeah. So you can that's it. If say if X instead it had small c, okay, this is small c. Then if we compare this same thing uh, with capital B, what will happen? Small c has value of 100. Okay, let's say this is small c. This has a value of 100, small c, Unicode value, and this has a capital of 66. So still it will be true. Basically, just comparing Unicode values. That is it. You understood now both?
Yes, bro.
Yes. Now, if you look at program to input two characters and display the character which is alphabetically smaller in the textbook.
Hmm.
Yeah. So in the import class, static void main and all, scanner XY, they basically input two characters and those two characters they put in X in variable X and variable Y. Now, if variable X is smaller than Y, okay, um, then it will print out X is smaller because that's what we checked. If X is greater than Y, okay, then it will print out X is greater. obviously. And if else means it is not greater or not equal to, means they are the same, means there's the same character, so it will print x is equal to y.
Bro, the declaration of x and initialization of x is little different, no? Here, xc dot next parenthesis dot char x.
Yeah,
That's for characteristics. Huh? That's for char.
that is char at is also a function. Basically what this statement is saying, that you are taking the first index position 0, so in first letter that the person typed, that's all.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, when I get to char at, you will understand that. Yeah. Now if you got next program to check whether a character is upper, lower character or a digit. This is the program which man gave in class today. So class, okay, static void test. You can take static void main also. So they input character x from the user. Now if x is greater than wait, is greater than or equal to capital A, and x is smaller than or equal to capital Z. Okay, that means it is a capital letter, because then that means it is between 65 and 90, and all positions between 65 and 90 are capital letters. So X is capital letter. Okay, if this is so it printed out system out println uppercase character. If X is greater than or equal to small a, okay, that is a mistake in the textbook. It should be greater than or equal to, and X is smaller than or equal to small z. Okay, that means it is between characters of 97 and 122. The Unicode of the character which the user gave is between 97 and 122. That means X has to be a small letter. Okay. Now else if X is uh, greater than or equal to 0. Again, mistake is that in the textbook it's given A should be greater than or equal to 0, and X is smaller than or equal to 9. Okay. Remember, we have to put characters because we are comparing in characters, not the value. So if this is true, means the character X is between Unicode of 48 and 57. That means it has to be a number. So X is a number or a digit. Else if none of these are true, that means it is some special character. Means some maybe exclamation mark, question mark, underscore, space, or some other random character we don't know. Okay. Yeah.
Basically a slab type of program.
Nice. Yeah. So you understood this program, both of you?
Yes, bro. Yes.
Yeah.
That's it, no?
Yeah. Now, uh, this program to display all capital alphabets, small alphabets, and digits. This is the same, but we are using loops to display all the numbers. Okay. So even x, which is a character data type, x first what I put it equal to a. Okay. So and they told it to print x. So it printed. Then what happened? They put x plus plus. Now they're adding 1 to x, and x contains a. So when you do x plus plus, what happens is the Unicode gets plus 1. So this 66 to turn into 67. So that means now x after this will have b. So whenever you do x plus plus, means you are putting 1 to the Unicode, and whatever is in the next Unicode, that value will get stored in the x. So capital B. Then it will print that, like that, capital C, capital D, everything it will print. Then it reaches to capital Z. After I print capital Z, then the loop will break. because then and then the next loop will start, which is we give small letter a, which is 97. Same we do x plus. If you do x plus plus, you print this a, then you do x plus plus, then this this gets updated to 98, or it is at 98, which is small p. So x will be small p, and similarly it will print small b, small c, small t until until it reaches small z, and it will stop. Same with character x equal to character 0. Remember, we are printing characters, so digit 0 or number, this character 0. Okay, so if we get x plus plus, okay, it will print 0, then x plus plus, it will add to the Unicode of 0, which is 48. So for at 49, 1 is there, so x equal to Unicode of 49, which is equal to 1, character 1. So it will print the character 1, character 2, like that till 9. That is basically this program to display all capital letters, small letters, and digits. Yeah, that is it. Basically you can do x plus plus even if x is a character type, and it will add 1 to the Unicode.
Okay.
Yeah. So extraction of a character from a string. So as you remember, index position, I taught index.
We have to do from here, you know.
What?
This second section, no?
No, extraction of words, till the extraction of words.
Okay.
Yeah. So so if you remember, index position, it starts from 1 0, sorry, it starts from 0. Okay, it starts from 0 0 1 2 3 4, like that it goes. So let's say I have a string s which is equal to num. Okay, so n is at 0th position, capital N, and small is at 1, small m at 2, small a at 3, small n at 4, like that. They each character has an index position. Even if space is there, space is also a character, so it will also have an index position. So let's say I take character C equal to character at index position 3. Okay, so s dot character, because in a string, s dot character at 3. So what is at index position 3? Small a. So C, if you print C, it will give small a. So inside C, the character of small a is there. Similarly, C equal to s dot character at caret, uh, let's say 1, no, let's say 2. So at 2,
M.
small m is there. Yeah, so C equal to m. Correct. Yeah, so if you look at a program to import a sentence and print each character in different lines, it basically has a sentence, okay, which is present in the variable sent. This is string variable sent, and it contains a sentence. Okay, so int length equal to sent dot length. I told you, no, length function. It basically
Length.
number of characters in it. So int I equal to 0, I is less than length, I plus plus, then character at I. So I, it will start at 0, and then it will slowly increase. With each loop it will increase. 0 it will start, then 1 2 3 4, like that value of I will increase. So index position 0 it will take, index position 1 it will take, index position 2 it will take, like that each index position it will print, because system.println is there. So each letter or each character from that string it will take and print it one by one. Yeah. So program to import a sentence and count the total length of total number of a in it. So basically same sent string is there. So character C int length count 0, that length equal to length equal to cent dot length. So number of characters in length. So in cent, number of characters in cent. So C equal to cent character dot I. Basically, whatever is the character at index position I. So if it equal to small a or capital A, count will increase, and if not, it will continue the loop. So it will check index position 0, it will check index position 1, index position 2, 3, 4, like that. It will go on and check each index position till whatever length is of the string. And whenever A is there, the if statement will execute and count will go up by 1. So after the for loop is over, you print the count, whatever is the count. Yes.
Hey, he left.
Nice, Saurish left. Oh yeah, Saurish left. What happened?
Hey, yeah, fine. When is the next class you're gonna put?
Ah, what happened?
Bro, by mistake I ended.
Oh. But you know the to extract each word. Sorry, no, to extract each. Sorry, the program to input a sentence and count the total number of A in it. You understood? Yeah. Okay.
Which one? 9.5.
Program to input a sentence and count total number of A in it.
A unit. What is the program?
Hey, he was teaching 9.5 basic.
Huh?
9.5 only basically. He was teaching.
So
Yeah.
I didn't understand it, bro.
Which one?
9.5.
No, I have different program numbers. So
What of
what's the name?
program to input a sentence and print each character in different lines.
Oh, oh that. Okay. So basically we have a string data type of string variable of time. Okay. Inside this some sentence is there inside sent. So int we declare int length. Length is basically the number of characters inside sent.
Okay.
Now for loop int I equal to 0, I is less than length, and I plus plus. So basically throughout the loop I will go from 0 to number of characters. Okay. So in the system.println, so sent dot character at I. So at index position 0, at index position 1, index position 2, each character it will print. Understood? No? Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. And since it is system.println, it will print in different lines. Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
After I end this much of this.
No, I thought program to count total number of A in it. That also I thought.
Hey, where is that?
You don't have in a textbook.
Oh.
Oh. Okay, then leave.
We have a survey. Yes, survey.
Service.
You're on mute.
Yeah, da.
Is there?
No, what?
What? You're dreaming or you're sleeping?
My mom was here. What happened?
That program to check how many letters are there, how
How
many
many?
A's are there in the
Yeah, how
program.
many number of A's in the program?
It's not there in a book.
Number of A's is not there.
Oh, it's not
Yes.
there. Oh, okay.
Then that program only won't come, no? If it's not
Yeah.
there.
Leave. Program to input a sentence using scanner and count total number of capital letters and small letters separately. That is there.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Program to input sentence using scanner and
Yeah.
count the total number of
Yeah.
capital and small letters separately.
Yeah, that is 9.6.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, import class static void main scanner. That all you know. Then
Yeah.
string sent. So sent is a string. Okay, string variable, and then character C. Okay, this is string. So these two variables are there. Then length has the length. This has the length of the string sent. What is the length of it? It is the set length, then capital 0 and small equal to 0, that we declare that to count the number of capital and small letters. System.println enter sentence, st.nextLine, that one all you know. Len equal to set.length function, that length function also I taught you. So for okay, I equal to 0 means I will start at 0, I is less than len, and I plus plus means I will go from first index position to last index position for the loop. Now c equal to char at I. So index position at it, like it will take the input letter at each index position. So I it starts with 0, no, so it takes the index position of what we said 0. Okay, so here we gave if you look at the terminal window down below, they gave the example he went to the market. Okay, so in that it took the first letter, first character, which is capital H. Then it will check if the character is between capital A and capital Z. If it is there, capital plus plus means number of capital letters it will count, and otherwise if it is small, else if it is greater than or equal to small a and less than or equal to small z, means if it is a small letter, you are writing two if statements to check if it is capital and if it is small. If it is capital means you'll add for capital, and if it is small means you'll add for small. So you basically take one by one, you're taking each character in C, okay, and you're checking if it is capital or small. Okay, then at the end you're printing system.println capital equal to whatever was the answer, and system.println small equal to whatever was the answer. You understood this program?
Yeah.
Now extraction of words. Yes. So class sentence static void main is given static void extract word. For us you have to write static void main. String s, he went to market, and if in the question they gave in like to
This
input
we have to do in second session, no?
what?
This we have to do in the second session, no?
No, this I'll do. This is the last topic. Then after this next topic we'll do from second session. Yes. Okay.
Hey, when is the second session, Ra?
I don't know. You discuss in the group. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So string s, whatever string you gave, then string one more string will create, string w. In this w will store whatever word will store inside this words is inside this. Inside this whatever word is there will store inside this one by one. Okay. How we'll do that? We'll see. Now int I for the loop, I is for loop, and then character x, that also we have to use it. Now this, okay, s equal to s plus space character. Why did we do this? We took this sentence and at the end we joined it. What we did, we concatenated. If you remember that word, we basically just joined it, the space at the end of the sentence. We put a space. Why did we do that? Because our program, how we are going to write it, it will look because after it basically what it will do is it will see if it will select the words by seeing the space in the sentence. What I mean by that, we'll see. Okay, I'll explain how it selects the words. So for same as always, I equal to 0, I is less than the length and I plus plus. Basically, it will go through each and every index position. Now, x character x. Okay, we initialized character x. We'll put a value s dot character at I. Okay, so for whatever character is at index position 0 for the first time, when you execute it first, index position 0, it will take the first character. In this case, he went to the market, it will take capital H. Now, if x is not space, question, exclamation mark and capital means not. Okay, if x is not space, it will execute w. Okay, w which was empty. If we initialize it as empty string w plus x, so empty means nothing plus x, that's h. Okay, that means w will contain h. Okay, now I equal to 1, so x equal to character at 1, which is e. So e is also not space, so again it will add e in this, h plus e. Okay, now second, index position 2. Index position 2 is space. Okay, index position 2 is space. That means the word has ended, because space means it will give a space after word is ended. That time only we will give space. So if word is ended, so if x equal to not space, but it is space, so this will not execute. Instead, it will execute the else statement. Okay, what is else is there? Execute the else statement. In else statement is system.out.println, so it will print out w, whatever he. So he is in w. It will print out he is a he, the first word. Then again it will set w to empty. Okay. Now again for the next word, we don't know the next word, so again we'll set it to empty. Now again the loop will repeat. Obviously index position 3. W, small w. So it is not space. So in w, string w will store w, then e, then n, then t, like that it will go. Then again space. Okay, at 7, index position 7, again space comes. Yeah, at index 7 space comes. So again it will execute the else statement, because remember x should not be space, then only it will execute this. But since it is space, it will execute this and it will print w, which is went. So next word also printed. Again we'll set w to empty. Again then w equal t, w equal to, okay, w equal o. Then again space is there, so it will execute the else statement and it will print 2, and again w will be empty. Like this it will print market. Now if you look, market does not have a space after it, so it will not print. But that's why if you at the starting we did s equal to s plus space. That's why we did it, because to put a space at the end, so that at the end else statement will execute, it will print out the last word, which is market, and then again it will set it to empty and it will close. If we don't put the space, we will not print the last word, because it only prints the word after it sees the space. Okay, so you understood the program, both of you?
Yeah.
Bro,
Yeah,
Naman and Sarvesh, stay today, no need of the class, bro, okay? Today enough, bro, one class enough. Naman, what do you say,
I'm fine with the both.
Yeah,
huh?
fine.
I'm fine with class also, not class also.
What, Sarvesh?
Fine, fine.
Nothing will go into our brain, bro.
No, because seconds, but today if you do meaning, I can't come anyways.
Okay, okay. Naman, what do you say,
Yeah, I'm fine with conducting. I'm not fine with, if you're not, if I'm fine with not conducting and conducting both.
Oh,
Bro, so
peaceful.
if you contact only Naman, you have to contact, no? So only Arnav, no?
Yeah. Okay, we'll see. No, Rishabh will also come if I conduct.
Oh, Rishabh will come.
Yeah.
Fine, I'll call to Rishabh and say don't come.
You put in group. We'll see who all will come if I conduct.
I'll create a poll. Huh?
You can create polls. Sir.
Yes, I guess.
We can do it off next time, no? Because now anyway, see me and Saurish, we can't come back.
Okay. I am recording this lecture also. I'll put it in YouTube. You can see.
YouTube.
Yeah.
They can't hear our voice, no?
Wait 1 minute. हाँ उससे ही बात करो. Okay. You can hear your voice also, my voice also. They can see my screen also, the whiteboard, everything. So in future, if you need to like revise this, you can watch this lecture.
Wow.
Yes.
Hey, bro, like, so you can hear our voices and all.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
fine,
Okay.
okay.
Okay. Bye.
But I created the poll, bro.
I can't see.
I created.
I'm opening Instagram. I can't see. Ah, yeah, yeah, I saw.
Hey, Sarvesh, you also give, bro. You also give your. Only one person. No? Hey, this Arna is asking when, bro. I said today.
Hey, Naman is talking to you, he's saying
Yeah.
today.
No, no, he's talking. What PTA at 9 a.m.?
पता नहीं.
मुझे पता नहीं होता. Somebody said I want. Who is that? Arna wants it today.
Bro, tomorrow.
I will attend tomorrow.
Hey, create one more poll. Who wants second session tomorrow?
Um, I created.
Yeah. Okay.
What is TK, bro? I will attend. Okay, for attend tomorrow TK. Naman, you also give your wrote no okay
I
tomorrow.
gave. I gave okay vote.
But tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh, fine. Fine, leave it everyone.
Bro, you are quite you know what?
Okay then. Okay. Bye, students.
Yes, sir.
Okay, bro. So today no
Yes.
class, no?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, I'm writing no class.
No class today. Yeah.
Yeah. Tomorrow is the next session.
Yes. Okay. Bye, students. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Bye. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Bye.